Hello everyone, my name is Carol and welcome aboard to Knitting on the Hook. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a transfer tool cast-off using the gate pegs to maintain an even tension. So let's get to it! To do a transfer tool cast-off, first make sure that the carriage is unthreaded and that you start with the needles closest to the carriage. Move the stitch from the second last needle in front of the gate peg and onto the last needle. Transfer the stitches back onto the transfer tool and place the prong inside the hook of the empty needle. Raise the transfer tool so that the stitches go in front of the gate peg. Put the stitches back on the needle, bring the needle forward to E position, place the yarn inside the hook of the needle, back towards B position so we can knit the stitch through. In front of the gate peg, place the prong inside the hook of the needle, raise the transfer tool so that the stitches passes in front of the gate peg, bring the needle to E position and knit the stitch through. Some machines do not have gate pegs, but if your machine does, I highly recommend that you use them because it really maintains a nice even tension throughout the cast-off, and it prevents the fabric from dragging down. This is the same cast-off that I would use for shaping armholes. This is what the transfer tool cast-off looks like from the purl side. And from the knit side. If you enjoyed this tutorial, click on the thumbs up to let me know, or better yet, leave a comment. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you would like to do so, click on the big red button in the corner of the screen. It's going to take you straight to it where you can browse around. Thank you for watching Knitting on the Hook. Bye for now.